Palawan, often referred to as the last frontier of the Philippines, is a paradise that captivates travelers with its pristine natural beauty, diverse ecosystems, and stunning landscapes. This province, located in the western part of the Philippines, offers an array of attractions that range from idyllic beaches and vibrant coral reefs to underground rivers and lush rainforests. El Nido, with its dramatic limestone karsts, crystal-clear waters, and hidden lagoons, is a renowned haven for island hopping and exploring secluded coves. The Bacuid Archipelago's stunning landscapes provide a picturesque backdrop for activities such as kayaking, snorkeling, and hiking to panoramic viewpoints. Puerto Princesa, the capital city of Palawan, is home to the Puerto Princesa Underground River, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 Wonders of Nature. Navigating this subterranean river, which winds through a complex of limestone caves, offers a mesmerizing journey into an otherworldly realm. Coron is another gem within Palawan, known for its captivating underwater attractions. The underwater wrecks of World War II ships have transformed into vibrant coral reefs, making it a haven for diving enthusiasts. Kayangan Lake, often called the cleanest lake in the Philippines, is a serene oasis surrounded by towering cliffs. Tabataha Reef's Natural Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in the Sulu Sea, is a sanctuary for marine biodiversity. Divers are treated to encounters with colorful corals, sharks, turtles, and an array of marine life that thrives in the park's protected waters. Palawan's ecological consciousness is evident in its commitment to sustainable tourism practices. The Kalawit Safari Park, a wildlife sanctuary in northern Palawan, hosts a diverse range of animals, including African wildlife, in a protected environment. The Iwahig Firefly Watching Tour offers a magical experience as visitors glide through the Iwahig River, surrounded by mangroves and illuminated by the bioluminescence of fireflies. Palawan's indigenous culture is preserved in places like the Palawan Heritage Center, where visitors can learn about the traditions, crafts, and customs of the indigenous tribes that call the province home. The vibrant local markets, such as the Puerto Princesa City Baywalk and the El Nido Market, offer an opportunity to engage with local artisans, sample regional delicacies, and purchase souvenirs. In essence, Palawan is a destination that showcases the natural wonders of the Philippines at their finest. Whether it's exploring hidden lagoons, diving into underwater realms, discovering indigenous cultures, or simply basking in the tranquility of pristine shores, Palawan invites travelers to embark on a journey that connects them with the wonders of nature and the rich cultural heritage of the region.